Hello, this is your captain speaking. We're flying at 27,000 feet, approximately 550 miles an hour. We left DFW Airport about 20 minutes late, but that's okay. We're going to make up the time, and we should be landing at 3:35, your scheduled landing time. Current weather in Orlando is 77 degrees, nice and sunny for those on vacation. Should be a good day at the beach. Let's see, received a message from one of the flight attendants. They asked that everybody place their electronic devices into airplane mode as not to cause a situation in the cockpit. Thank you again, and thanks for flying with us.